Hi, Elite Marketing Pro community, Attraction Marketing .com community. Welcome. My name is Paulina Panszczyk, and today I am going to talk about three keys in creating a breakthrough. So, how you can create a breakthrough that you can level up to the next level in your business or in your life. You can create breakthroughs every day, all the time with these three keys. Welcome. So as you're coming in and joining me, do say hi. Let me know where you are coming in from and how you're doing. Again, my name is Paulina Panszczyk, and I am an elevation member here at attractionmarketing.com and also a mentor in the community. Let's see. Cool. So before I give you the three keys, I do want to just share with you what is a breakthrough, and I do want to let you know that the content that I am covering today is something that I learned just last week at a business mastery. So I flew out to Amsterdam and I spent 5 days at Business Mastery with Tony Robbins, and this was the sum of the information we learned on day one. I actually have this whole book, so I am just going to go over the three keys to creating a breakthrough, a massive breakthrough in your business and in your life. Hey guys, Chuck is watching. Marina. Hey Marina. Hey Tracy, Laura, Sarah, Sharon. Hi Sharon and Sadaf. Hey everyone. Los Angeles, nice. I am back in Chicago. Very cool. So just going over what is a breakthrough. I have notes, so I'm just going to kind of read them as well. So a breakthrough is a moment in time where you make a decision, you gain an insight or truth, you develop a new understanding, or create a new experience, and life is never same again as a result of it. So a breakthrough comes from mastering the small things that make a big difference. That brings me back to like small things that make a big difference. So that is, we talk about like consistency. Does that kind of remind you of consistency? In all these different languages, as soon as I sat down and the first day, that's what Tony said. I'm like, oh shoot, that's consistency. If you are following along and you're like, yep, that makes sense, give me a 1. Laura is from Canada, Saskatchewan. I think that's how you pronounce it. Cool. Hi, Timothy. All right. So I'm going to continue reading this here. Okay, so breakthroughs come from mastering the small things that make a big difference. And sometimes a breakthrough is a blind spot that opens up for you. So then you get to see problems you didn't know existed, and then you can tackle them head on, right? Because you can't change something that you're not aware of. But once you have awareness, then one small distinction can like change your entire game, your entire business, your entire life. Am I making sense here? Give me a 2. I'm getting 1s. Hey, Wendy. Cool. 1, awesome, good. So I'm going to be checking in with you guys, making sure that I can sort of reteach this stuff that I learned at Business Mastery. Cool. So 3 keys, they are start with S, so you can write them down. And the first key is strategy. So having the right strategy of what you want to change, right? So knowing that a lot of the times we're like, I don't know how to do that, and I don't know what to do. So the key is to have a strategy, and to be honest, strategy is actually the easiest thing to overcome, because if it is that we want to get more let's say people into our business, into our marketing business, we have to come up with a strategy to do that, right? And there are so many ways that you can go about that, about getting what you need. I mean, just here at attractionmarketing.com, we have a ton of resources and videos that teach you different strategies that you can implement so you can start building a following, building a brand, building a list, so then you can go ahead and start bringing people onto your team. Does that make sense? Sometimes we get really stuck in like, I don't know what the strategy is, but that is actually the easiest out of the 3 keys that I will have here for you. So strategy is, there's a ton of strategies that you can have here at Attraction Marketing. So that brings me to the second key, which is this story. So the story is, what is it that you're telling yourself? Like, what story is nothing but a belief system. And this is actually what keeps people stuck, right? Because then it just comes about, what is our belief system? Like, oh, can we do it? Am I good enough to build a big brand and build a following? And do I have what it takes to give value to people so then they want to work with me? But it's all right here. It's just the belief systems. Like, what are we believing? And you know, a lot of times we tell ourselves, I've already tried everything, I've exhausted everything, but that's it, I'm done. But if that's what we keep telling ourselves, and that's our belief system, then that's exactly the result we're going to get. If you're with me, give me a 2. I'm going to read some comments. Carla from Iowa, Gabby from Florida, Natalie, hi Nana, awesome. So second is the story. What story are you telling yourself? And guess what? You get to tell yourself the story that you want to tell yourself. So that's your belief system. And you can change that by saying, yes, I have so much value to give. And Shireen is saying, I believe in God and I believe in me. Yes, awesome. And we all have that choice to just, you know, have that belief system be, yes, I'm learning stuff and I have a lot of value to give, and I'm going to turn around and give that value to others so they can reap the value as well. Cool, cool, cool. I'm getting 2s. Yay! So I'm doing good with just teaching you what I learned in business mastery. All right. There you go. So story, it's also the glue that keeps everything together. And it's really cool because, like, in our communities, you know, we have what we do, like small wins, and we celebrate a lot of small wins, and that just basically is proof in your action, if you can be aware of your small wins, that like, this is, I'm doing great, I'm giving value, it's working, and then this slowly shifts your belief system. Cool. And the third one that I have right here is the state. You have to be in the right state. And when I talk about state, is really your emotions. Like, how are you feeling? How are you getting up in the morning? How are you sitting down at your computer? How are you, what's the state and the emotion and the energy that you're in before you get on a call with a prospect? So that's really about your state, being aware of what state you're in, what emotion you're in as you are making some crucial decisions or taking actions in your business. And we did a really cool exercise to kind of prove how come state is so important. And there was some questions that Tony had us ask about our business, and then we changed our state, and then our nervous system came up with the right answer. So all the answers that you have, you know the answers. All the questions that you have, you know the answers to. And it really is just by changing your state and allowing your nervous system to come up with the answers. And what is the best state to be in? It's to be in gratitude, okay? And we did an exercise, and I'm just going to tell you about it so then you can go ahead and practice it, and you can even Google it. It's about just getting in gratitude, like holding onto your heart and thinking, closing your eyes and imagining like the 3 things you're super grateful for. You know, like it can be small moments in time. It could be, you know, something super small, like driving down with like an open car and the wind's blowing in your, the nice summer breeze is blowing in your hair. And it's like a present moment in gratitude. Or it could be something big like the birth of a child or your child or another year that you've celebrated. So all of that, just taking like 5 minutes, closing your eyes and getting in gratitude is the best way to get in your best state. All right, and if you are like, yes, I am with you, give me a 3 here. Chuck is saying 2. Good. Hey, Adrian. Thanks for coming on. Sweet. All right. So quick recap here. The 3 keys to creating a breakthrough is strategy, story, and state. So basically it's what emotion are you in, what belief do you have, and then the strategy that you're going to implement. And that's what it comes down to, is the importance is first, number 1 importance is the emotion. What emotion are you in? You know, they got to be an optimum emotion, be in gratitude. 2 is what beliefs do you have? You got to really work on your beliefs, because, you know, 80% is psychology and 20% is actually the strategy. And then number 3 is strategy. And strategy is the easiest one, especially because we have so much here that you can use as strategy, and so many resources and videos and groups and programs that you can be a part of to get the strategy that you need. That makes sense. 3 is awesome. Great day. Hey, Jamal. Great. I'm so happy this is making sense. Sarah saying great information. Glad that you are enjoying it. So that is all. If you got value from it, hashtag value. And if you are watching this on replay, hashtag replay, so then I can go ahead and just comment back when you guys finish watching it. Awesome. If this is information that you've enjoyed, and if you found this video, and if you'd like to find out more information of how to be a part of our community, reach out to the person that shared this video with you. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.